Hello, hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and we are back producing the bar stool project. This is the piano stool in which the bar stool originated from, and so we've changed the design, but the wooden threads is a unique feature, and that is specifically what we're going to be producing today, the threaded shaft that has the wooden threads so we can adjust the bar stool to different heights. We'll go do that in Legacy's Turning Center, so let's go see how it's done. This threaded shaft is made on the turning module, which can be added to the Maverick E series at any time. This workstation allows us to easily mount stock between centers so that we can produce either turn designs or multi-sided index designs. For the threaded shaft, we are going to be doing two different turning techniques, one with the surfacing cutter and another with a 90-degree V-cutter. The surfacing cutter is used to quickly remove material and to turn stock round to a final diameter. The main body of the shaft is for the threads, but we're also needing to turn a tenon on one end of the spindle so that we can join this threaded shaft directly to the stool seat. Now that the blank is shaped and turned round, we'll use the V-cutter to create the threads. But first, it's going to turn two profile cuts on either end where the threads begin and end. This is to terminate the threads to create smooth transitions at the beginning and the end. Now the threading portion can take place. The V-cutter is only plunging 1/8 of an inch into the material and stepping over 1/4 of an inch per rotation. This will give us a thread size of 4 threads per inch. To ensure we have the most precise cut possible, this threading process receives 2 passes. A roughing pass, which takes about 75% of the material, and a finish pass to come clean up the rest of the threads. To take full advantage of this turning center, we program the spindle shaft using Legacy's Conversational CAM Pro software. These features of being able to jump from one workstation to another, such as the horizontal and vertical workstation for the leg, and here we're jumping to the turning center for the threaded shaft, there is no other CNC that can give you more capabilities in a single platform than the Legacy CNC systems. And there we have it, a threaded shaft for the bar stool. I've already taken the time to chop off the top, so all we have left is the tenon that will join directly to the seat. And make sure to check out the rest of the videos that show this project take place. Now, if you're interested in learning about what a Legacy CNC can do for you, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions, you can always leave them down below in the comments section, but you're always welcome to talk to one of our CNC specialists by calling 801-491-0010. Now, if you're interested in seeing more cutting demonstrations just like this, just click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box so you can always receive notifications when new videos like this come out. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.